This bathroom is an attic bathroom, and that was actually roughed in. It was real dark and dingy, and this amazingly cute little fairy window was sort of the inspiration for all of it. And there was some rough-in for a tub and a toilet, so we were kind of stuck with that. And then I did the same thing here. I pushed this into the room and was able to make a much deeper, more usable shower with a really nice size vanity for her daughter. And I think her daughter was nervous too. But then when she saw the wallpaper go in, she loved it. And so now Catherine's like, I told her, I said, I hung some pictures in your bathroom. She's like, great. I won Catherine too, so I'm glad.
When we went through the house, my daughter's bathroom, we didn't even know it was part of the house. We thought it was a closet, and we opened it up and it was a hole where the toilet had been, and a bathtub, and another little sink hanging on the wall. So they couldn't advertise it as an available bathroom because it didn't have a toilet. So that was our second project that we wanted to do. So when she walked through, she gave us ideas for the third floor and for the master.
I love the mix of patterns and texture. You know, here you have this cute little sophisticated bathroom, and then we put a rugged concrete countertop on it. You know, stuff like that is just different in the mixture of the tile, the penny dot, you know, pink penny dot, we got a gray tiny hex on the shower floor. It's just a really fun mix of color and texture, and who doesn't want pink cabinets somewhere in their house? I know I do, and I love them, and they're the perfect pink, so they're not overpowering like hot pink or, you know, ballerina pink. It's this dusty pink. I think it's called sad pink, but it's the perfect neutral.
It's just the perfect girl bathroom. Really love, there's a couple of things. I like when you walk in and Jenny just really took advantage of the natural slope of the ceiling because she's on the third floor and she has an attic bathroom. And so we did wallpaper, you know, there's like, it kind of comes up to a point, we did like penny tile on a back wall with a little chandelier over the bathtub. And initially the bathtub had been kind of in the corner, and she's like, I want to pull it out into the sort of the center of the room and do a chandelier over it. And then there's pink tile on the wall and really, really pretty floral wallpaper. So when I love walking in and seeing that, and the little chandelier is so cute.
This all the time. Somebody asked in an interview just this morning, what is the #1 thing you can do to make your project successful? I'm like, hire a professional and get out of their way. Like, trust them. I think if you've watched these videos enough to know that the people that get out of the way have the best possible outcome. And you just have to find the people that you trust. If you see everything that we do and you like it, chances are we can do it for you.
I've recommended Jenny and Karr Bick to a lot of folks. I just feel like I keep saying the word trust, but I really trust them emphatically. And I think, you know, you get what you pay for. And so there are a lot of other folks out there that you could work with, but I really feel like they are really good at what they do, and they hold my hand through everything, and I've never ever been disappointed in anything.